I have won a hero's name with McAlpine and Costain, with Fitzpatrick Murphy's Ash and Wimpy's gang. I've enough times on the road, on me way to the Rother when there's nothing left to do for Johnny Lang. Now I used to think that God built a Exorbitant hall so that Paddy might know hell above the ground. And I've had gangers big and tough tell me tear it all out rough when you're building up and tearing England down. In a tunnel underground a young Limerick man was found. He was built into the new Victoria line. And when the bonus gang had passed, sticking through a concrete cast was the face of little Charlie Joe Devine. And the ganger man McGurk, a big Paddy at the war, when the gas pipe burst and he flew off the ground. Oh, well, they say, he said, don't slack, I'll not be there until I'm back. Keep on building up and tearing England down. I was on the Hydro Dam, oh, that day that Jack McCann, he got the better of this stammer in a week. He fell from that shuttering jam, and that poor old stuttering man, he was never ever more inclined to speak. And I saw old Ball McCall from the big flyover fall into a concrete mixer spinning round. And though it was not his intent, he got a fine head of cement when he was building up and tearing England down. I remember Carrier Jack with his heart upon his back. Now he swore one day he'd set the world on fire, but his face we've never seen since his shovel it got clean through the middle of a big high tension wire. And no more like Robin Hood will he roam through Cricklewood, or dancing to the pubs of Camden Town. But let no man complain, for no Pat will die in shame when he's building up and tearing England down. So come all you navvies bold, who do think that English gold is just waiting to be plucked from every sod. For the likes of you and me could never get an OBE or a knighthood for good service to the Hod. They have a concrete master race who will keep you in your place, and a ganger man to kick you to the ground. If you ever try to take part of what the bosses make when you're building up and tearing England down, so keep building up and tearing England down.
Thanks very much, everybody. Good morning.